Good morning. Today we're going to make Frosted Flake banana muffins. We'll start our muffins by combining 1.5 cups of flour with a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to mix those dry ingredients together with our whisk, and then we set that aside. After that, we're going to combine our wet ingredients, which are 3 ripe bananas, very well mashed, a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And remember, when you measure brown sugar, it's packed. And then a 1/3 cup of either melted butter or vegetable oil. In this case, it's oil. A large egg, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we mix those together until that oil decides to mix in there. This new spatula was a gift from my eldest son and his family, and it's a nice one. Then we add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. With the standard warning to not overmix. So we're going to call that good right there. Then we fold in our crushed cup of Frosted Flakes. I was worried this was going to be too dry, but it's not. It's pretty good consistency for a muffin batter. So now what we're going to do is fill our muffin cups. And there we go. And we're going to put those in the oven, a 350-degree oven, for 18 to 22 minutes. And I'll be back at that point in time. All right, let's get these beauties in the oven. And then we'll set a timer for 18 minutes. And we'll be back to test to check them or take them out of the oven at that point in time. Okay, at 18 minutes, these were not close to done, so I gave them another 4 minutes. And let's see how they're looking at this point in time. I'm not too sure they're done now, but they're feeling close. So let's just turn them around. Put them back in for about 2 more minutes. Okay, the time is up. So let's see what they look like at this point. And they look like they're done. There, that's what the completed muffins look like. As you can see, I put some whole flakes on a few of them for a little extra crunch. We'll see how that works. Maybe next time I'll do them all. As you can tell, I've eaten a little bit of it already. It's a decent muffin. I think I'd rate it a 7 out of 10. My wife and her sister rated it an 8 out of 10. I'll take that. If you make these, leave me a comment. Tell me whether you like the recipe or not, because it's an original recipe and I don't get much feedback because there's nobody around here to feed these to. Thanks for watching. See you next video.